Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat, and in this session, I'm going to talk about the major differences between strangles and straddles. Okay, so here are the contents for today's session. I'm going to talk about what are strangles and straddles and types of strangles and straddles. Okay, so followed by that, let's discuss about the difference between short strangle and short straddle, and also the differences between the long strangle and long straddle. Okay, so I'm also I will also talk about which strikes to choose and what's the risk and reward and break even points for long strangle, short strangle, long straddle, and short straddle. Okay, so also let's understand the effect of volatility and theta on these four strategies. Okay, and let's understand the differences between the payoff charts for long, short, straddles, and strangles. Okay, and the most important thing is I'm going to talk about when to implement which strategy. Okay, so you already know it, but I just consolidated the major differences between strangles and straddles into a table. Okay, so that will help you. Okay, and yeah, let's talk about entry point and exit points as well. Okay, so what are strangles and straddles? Okay, you already know what is a strangle. Strangle is simple. Okay, so when it comes to strangle, we sell out of the money call option and out of the money put option. Okay, say the market is at 15,050 030. Okay, that means 15,000 is our at the money strike. Okay, so 15,000 is our at the money strike. Okay, so I'll sell 15,300 call, which is out of the money, and 14 and 14,650. Okay, put option. Okay, so what I did, I have sold out of the money call option and out of the money put option. Okay, so this is how the triangle looks like. Okay, this is short triangle. Okay, so what I did, I sold, so I call it short. Okay, short triangle. Why I call it as triangle? Because I sold out of the money call option and out of the money put option. Okay, so this is how the diagram looks like, and we want market to be staying in this range only. Okay, so for long triangle, this is short triangle. For long triangle, you just need to buy buy out of the money call option and buy out of the money put option. Okay, so this is how the payoff diagram looks like. Okay, so we need market to break the boundaries and come out of it when we implement long triangle. Okay, and for a short straddle, it's simple. We need to be selling at the money call option and at the money put option. What is at the money? 15,000. Okay, 15,000 selling put and selling call. Okay, so this is short straddle. Okay, this is how the payoff diagram looks like, and we need market to be staying in this range for us to be in profits. Okay, here are break even points, and to make it long straddle, we just need to buy at the money call option and at the money put option instead of selling. Okay, so this is how the payoff diagram looks like. And when we implement long straddle, we want market to break the boundaries and come out of it. Okay, so the profit potential is unlimited here. Okay, so that's the differences between straddles and strong strangles. Okay, and types of strangles and straddles I just told. Okay, two types. Strangles are two types and straddles are two types. Strangles are two: short straddle, long straddle. In short, we sell out of the money call option and we sell out of the money put option. Okay, for long strangle, we buy out of the money call option and we buy out of the money put option. Okay, to make it straddle, for short straddle, we sell at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay, for long straddle, we need to buy at the money call option and at the money put option. I just showed. Okay, that's it. So here are the major differences between short triangle, long triangle, short straddle, and long straddle. Okay, so let's understand the nature first. Okay, so when I say short, that means I am selling. I am an option seller. Okay, where for option seller, what's the risk? Risk is unlimited. Okay, So risk is unlimited in short triangle, and also this risk is unlimited in short straddle. Okay. So when I'm buying for an option buyer, risk is limited. Okay. For long options for buying call input, risk is limited. Okay. And reward is unlimited. Okay. So nature, let's understand the nature first. For short straddle, we need range bound market, less volatile market. Okay. We want market to be staying in the range. Okay. For long triangle and long straddle, we need volatile market. For short triangle and for short straddle, we need range bound market. Okay. So strikes, which strikes to choose? Simple. Okay. For short triangle, sell out of the money call and out of the money put. For short straddle, sell at the money call and at the money put. Okay. For long triangle, buy out of the money call and buy out of the money put. Okay. For long straddle, buy at the money call and buy at the money put. Okay. So risk and reward, you already know. Short is nothing but selling. That means you're an option seller. That means risk is unlimited and reward is unlimited. Okay. For long, you're an option buyer. That means your risk will be limited and reward will be unlimited. Okay. And when it comes to volatility, say for range bound market, we need less volatile market. So volatility should be low for short straddle and for short triangle and for short straddle. Okay. And for volatile market, we need high volatile market. For long triangle and for long straddle, we need high volatile market. Okay. So effect of theta. Theta is nothing but when it is coming to closure, premiums will be coming downward. Okay. Premiums will decrease. Okay. So for short triangle, that means we are an option seller. That means we want premiums to come down. Okay. So theta will have positive impact on short triangle and short straddle, but it will have negative impact on long triangle and long straddle. Okay. And entries, simple. Entry should be around 10 a.m. Okay. Entry should be around 10 a.m. for short triangle and short straddle. Okay. But for long triangle and long straddle, entry can be at any time. We just need volatile market. Okay. And exit is around 1 p.m. for short triangle, and exit will be around 1 p.m. for short triangle and straddle. Okay. But for long triangle and long straddle, you should be exiting if the market is not moving, if the market is sideways. Okay. And best time to implement short triangle on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for good results, and implement long triangle on Friday and Monday, and anytime when market is volatile. You can also implement long triangle on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday after 1 p.m. when the market is volatile. Okay. And for short straddle, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are the good times to implement to make good money from the market. And for long straddle, you can implement it anytime, and you can also implement on Friday and Monday when you find that market is volatile. Okay. So what are break-even points? Here is a formula for break-even points for all four strategies: for short triangle, for short straddle, for long triangle, and for long straddle. Okay. So this is a break-even formulas for short triangle, long triangle, short straddle, long straddle. Okay. So it's not necessary to write them. It's not necessary to remember. It's not necessary to buy heart. Okay. So you can understand the break-evens from the payoff chart using Opstra. Okay. So this is Opstra, and this website helps you to identify break-evens immediately after adding positions. Okay. So make use of this website and identify break-evens instead of remembering formulas. Payoff charts I just showed you. Okay. So short triangle, this is how the payoff diagram looks like. We need market to be staying in this range only. Okay. For us to be in profits. Okay. Short straddle, similar to it, but the edge will be sharp here. It looks like a pyramid. Okay. Short straddle will look like a pyramid. Okay. So same. So conditions are same. We need sideways market. We need less volatile market. We need market to be staying in that range only for us to be in profits. Okay. You can identify break evens from the payoff chart. Okay. All right. So that's about short triangle and short straddle. So for long triangle, this is how the payoff chart looks like. And look at the differences between long triangle and long straddle. Okay. So the edge will be very sharp here when it comes to straddle. Okay. So when we are long, when we are long on, I mean, when we buy call or put option, that means we are long. We are long on, we are in a longer positions. That means our risk is limited and reward is unlimited. Okay. So the triangles have unlimited reward potential and limited risk. Long straddle will also have unlimited reward and limited risk. Okay. We need market to be breaking these boundaries and coming out of it. Okay. For us to make good money. Okay. And all right, guys. If you guys have any questions, call me up anytime or message us anytime. We'll be answering all your questions. And please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone. Happy trading.